you're looking to buy, I'm looking to sell. Alright, we're here to look at this multi-use camera. It's a digital camera at 36 megapixel. It's also a video camera, 1920 by 1080 HD, and then triples, like I said, as a webcam at 1920 by 1080. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing and see what's inside. And first time I'm opening this, so I don't know what's inside. And let's get this thing popped out really quick. And wow, it's really small and very nice. Definitely pocket sized. I do think they were honest about that. Very thin camera. If you can get that even in the second camera, it's only a little over an inch thick, I believe. So, all right, and you got your normal USB plug. And you have your normal strap for your average camera. It's a older style USB plug, older style USB, but that's okay. It does come with 2 batteries. Comes with your pretty average little mini manual here, and has this little travel pouch. Not a bad idea. A lot more companies are equipping their cameras with these carry-along pouches. So opening it right up, you have the camera, obviously. You have a small average Joe user manual. You have a USB socket. And then you have an older style USB. This isn't the mini USB. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Put our battery in. And we got a welcome screen. You can probably get that on the overhead camera. 4-way kind of menu button here. You can, up it shows like a flash. To the left shows, I believe that's a power. To the right is kind of playback. Now down seems to be a trash. So it's a delete button, obviously. Then these are more of like your zooms, yeah. Let's go through the features. As I mentioned, 36 megapixel. It triples as both a webcam and a regular video cam. This does have anti-shake, so that's really nice. You don't want, blurry images when you're taking stills. It does come with 2 batteries, 16x digital zoom. It's digital zoom. It will lower your resolution as you zoom in. Keep that in mind. It has a 2.4-inch LCD screen. I think it's actually a pretty nice screen. It is not a touch screen. It also takes up to 128 gigabyte SD card. And I actually have an SD card. I'm just using a cheaper Walmart card. These cameras don't record in the types of formats that would require, a constant 100 megs a second and things like that. What I'm going to do is pause this video here and come back after I've actually used this camera and give you more of an idea of how it works, and also give you a few sample shots. That way you can kind of compare it with the video you're watching now. So this is a good example of the video and the audio on the current camera we're discussing, the 36 megapixel. It's a 1920 by 1080 HD camera. Okay, and I've had a chance to mess around with this camera a little bit. I actually like it quite a bit. It does have both video and still picture shoot. Now, I've discovered the top button. The top button, it switches it from different modes. And then the bottom button is a menu within the mode that you're in. Now the modes, you can switch back and forth between the regular still camera and the video camera. Now this does have a few decent little features. It has some ISO settings. It's 1 through 400, or you can use auto on that. And it also has a basic white balance. It has your cloudy or your daytime. And then it also has your different kind of lighting if you're using fluorescent or tungsten. So it can kind of make up in, you know, on the color for those lighting situations. Just basics, but it is an all-in-one. Right up here in the corner of the screen, I'm going to go ahead and put our score up there. It will be in between 1 and 5 stars, and I do half a stars for that. So I'll put that score up there right now. And overall, the unboxing of it, I really like the camera. I think it's got definitely a lot of potential in this camera. Now, if the audio and the video are pretty good, especially the video. The audio I always record separately myself, so I don't really look for a lot in cameras for their audio. It's just a scratch audio track most of the time anyway. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up. I hope that did give you at least a brief overview of this camera, some of the functions that it has, what it don't have. This runs about $48.99 on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description in case you want to purchase that. If you did like the video, make sure you give us a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to the channel. We have more videos coming up, especially several on some more products. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.